How to redeem Monopoly Go reward codes. The first things first is you won't be able to redeem any codes that you have or even a unique code and redeeming it directly from the application. So what you need to do is just to exit on this current game and then just access any preferred web browser that you can use on your phone. Now I'm going to be using Chrome, and then on the search bar just simply type in Monopoly Go redeem code. Now you're going to be seeing multiple options here, especially with Monopoly Go reward codes, but you're not going to be choosing that option. Scroll down again and then just choose on the website or the result, which will take you directly to the monopolygo.com. Then here, you do not need to log in first, just scroll down a bit till you find this option here that says reward codes. Now before entering the code, just log into your account, and then once you enter the code and tap on claim, it will automatically be resulted directly to your Monopoly Go game. And that's it. That's how you redeem reward codes on Monopoly Go.